Bonsai is the art of growing miniature trees in containers. This practice is not just about gardening, it's a form of artistic expression that requires patience and dedication. This ancient practice started in China over 1,000 years ago. Originally known as penjing, it was a way to create miniature landscapes in pots, capturing the essence of nature. Bonsai reached Japan around the 12th century and became closely linked to Zen Buddhism. Japanese monks refined the techniques, focusing on simplicity and harmony. Bonsai trees are not genetically dwarfed. They are regular trees that are meticulously trained to stay small. This is achieved through careful techniques such as pruning, which involves cutting back branches to maintain the desired shape and size. Repotting is another crucial technique, ensuring the tree has enough space to grow while keeping its roots confined. Shaping with wire helps guide the branches into the desired form. The goal of bonsai is to create a miniature living sculpture. Each tree tells a story, embodying the artist's vision and the natural beauty of the tree itself. Each tree is unique, reflecting the artist's vision and the tree's natural beauty. The process is a delicate balance between human intervention and the tree's natural growth. Bonsai cultivation offers a peaceful and rewarding hobby, connecting us with nature's artistry. It encourages mindfulness and provides a sense of tranquility, making it a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Pruning is crucial for bonsai health and appearance. It involves selectively removing branches, leaves, and roots. Pruning helps control the tree's size, encouraging a more compact and aesthetically pleasing form. There are two main types of bonsai pruning: maintenance and structural. Maintenance pruning removes new growth to maintain the tree's shape. Structural pruning involves removing larger branches to alter the tree's overall design. Always use sharp, clean tools for pruning. Make clean cuts just above a bud or branch collar. Prune your bonsai during its active growing season for optimal health and recovery. Repotting is essential for bonsai trees as their containers restrict root growth. Over time, the roots can become pot-bound, circling around the container and leading to poor health. This can stunt the tree's growth and reduce its overall vitality. It involves removing the tree from its pot, trimming its roots, and ensuring that any dead or overly long roots are pruned away. This helps to stimulate new root growth and keeps the tree healthy, and placing it in fresh soil. Fresh soil provides the necessary nutrients that the tree needs to thrive. It's important to use a soil mix that is appropriate for bonsai trees. This process provides vital nutrients and space for healthy root development. Without repotting, the soil can become compacted and lose its ability to retain moisture and nutrients. Repotting frequency depends on the tree species and its age. Different species have different growth rates and root structures, which affects how often they need to be repotted. Young, fast-growing bonsai may need repotting annually. This is because they are in a rapid growth phase, and their roots quickly fill the pot. Older, established trees might only need repotting every 3 to 5 years. These trees grow more slowly, and their root systems are more stable. Choose a well-draining bonsai soil mix. Good drainage is crucial to prevent root rot and ensure that the roots get enough oxygen. Gently loosen the roots before placing the tree in its new pot. This helps the roots to spread out and establish themselves in the new soil. Water thoroughly after repotting to settle the soil and encourage root establishment. Proper watering is essential to help the tree recover from the stress of repotting and to promote healthy growth. Shaping is the art of guiding a bonsai's growth to achieve a desired style. This process requires patience, precision, and a deep understanding of the tree's natural growth patterns. By carefully manipulating the branches, you can create a living piece of art that reflects both nature and your personal vision. It involves using techniques like wiring and clamping to bend and position branches. These methods allow you to direct the growth of the tree, ensuring that each branch is placed exactly where you want it. This meticulous process can take years to perfect, but the results are truly rewarding. Over time, these techniques help create the tree's characteristic miniature form. The transformation from an ordinary plant to a beautifully shaped bonsai is a testament to the skill and dedication of the artist. Watching the tree evolve over the years is one of the most satisfying aspects of bonsai cultivation. Copper or aluminum wire is commonly used for shaping bonsai. These materials are chosen for their flexibility and strength, allowing them to hold branches in place without causing damage. The choice between copper and aluminum often depends on the specific needs of the tree and the preferences of the artist. Wrap the wire gently around the branches, avoiding damage to the bark. It's important to apply the wire with care, ensuring that it is snug but not too tight. This helps to guide the branch's growth without restricting it, allowing the tree to develop naturally while still achieving the desired shape. Regularly check the wire to prevent it from cutting into the growing branches. As the tree grows, the wire can become too tight and start to dig into the bark, causing damage. By monitoring the wire and adjusting it as needed, you can ensure the health and beauty of your bonsai. There are many different bonsai styles, each with unique characteristics. These styles have been developed over centuries, each one representing a different aspect of nature. From the formal upright to the dramatic cascade, each style offers a different way to express the beauty of the bonsai. Some popular styles include formal upright, informal upright, slanting, and cascade. Each style has its own set of rules and guidelines, but there is also room for creativity and personal expression. By experimenting with different styles, you can find the one that best suits your vision and the natural characteristics of your tree. Choose a style that you find aesthetically pleasing and that suits your chosen tree species. The right style will enhance the natural beauty of the tree and create a harmonious and balanced composition. Whether you prefer the elegance of the formal upright or the dynamic movement of the cascade, the choice is yours to make. Caring for bonsai trees is a rewarding and meditative practice. It teaches patience, observation, and appreciation for nature's resilience. While it requires dedication, the rewards of nurturing a living miniature tree are immeasurable. For beginners, start with a hardy and easy-to-care-for species. Research its specific needs and follow basic pruning, repotting, and shaping techniques. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn from your experiences. Join a local bonsai club or online forum to connect with fellow enthusiasts. Embrace the journey of bonsai cultivation and enjoy the tranquility it brings to your life.